Bradbury Garner presents Friday Big Wise. Good morning, Lexi.
Good morning.
We are here this morning with you, and we are going to go over homeowners, investment owners, you name it. The biggest question is spring maintenance. What's the most important things that I should be doing to my home to get it ready for spring and summer?
Of course, yeah. So, number one is having your septic tank pumped. If you have an investment property, especially if you're having people get in there in the summertime and their weekly rentals, you want to have that septic tank pumped once a year. And if it's just your personal home, a lot of septic inspectors suggest every 2 to 3 years. If you have an investment property, you don't know what people are flushing, and you also don't want any sewage backing up on your tenants while they are in the home.
Exactly, because let's face it, that could be one of the worst disasters for a vacation. Next biggest thing on my list would be HVAC maintenance.
Yeah. So with HVAC and pool maintenance as well, I'd go ahead and schedule an inspection, have any maintenance done. It's going to be really hard to get in with those providers, in the peak of summer.
It is. And make sure you're following North Carolina laws that state if you have an investment property that is a rental income producing property, elevator needs to be inspected on a yearly basis for your upcoming rentals, as well as your decks have to be inspected and signed off on by that specific town. And you can, if you need a list, you can by all means shoot us a message. We are happy to get you in touch with the zoning and planning in each town department and get you on those lists for inspections. Power washing is another big thing.
Yeah. And if you need vendors or if you need contacts for any of these services, let us know. We have a great list of contacts that we use on our listings and that we provide to past clients.
Absolutely. We have vetted all of our preferred vendors. They all are carrying liability insurance. They are all certified in what they do. And if we don't have one on our list, guess what? We got a guy that's going to be able to go out and find you somebody to do that particular project. So whether you're buying, selling, or you're in the investment world with your property and you're on an upcoming rental season, give us a call today. Drop your name in the comments. Like us on Facebook, YouTube, and we'd love to hear from you guys. Catch you later.